in the East Cooper area. This customer has a dog in the backyard, and I wasn't aware that we had these beetles in this area, but this looks like a dung beetle pushing a ball of dog feces in the backyard. Never saw this before. Rolled up the dog feces in a ball, and now he's pushing it. Mount Pleasant, South Carolina.